Have you ever walked into a store for just a pack of gum and somehow walked out with a cart full of snacks, a candle, and maybe even a blender you didn't need? Welcome back to the Learning Studio. Today in our psychology series, we're exploring consumer and marketing psychology, the science of how businesses influence our decisions, often without us even realizing it. How businesses influence you. Marketers know that humans aren't always rational shoppers. We're emotional decision makers. That's why ads don't just show you a product, they sell you a feeling. Take Coca-Cola, for example. Their commercials rarely talk about taste. Instead, they show people laughing, celebrating, and sharing moments of happiness. The psychology trick? They're connecting soda to joy. So when you're happy or want to be, you'll reach for their brand. Case study, the power of choice. Here's a famous study. When shoppers were offered 24 flavors of jam at a grocery store, they were excited, but only 3% actually bought one. When only 6 flavors were offered, sales jumped to 30%. This is called the paradox of choice. Too many options can overwhelm us, so smart marketers simplify choices to guide our decisions. Modern-day example, online shopping. Ever notice how e-commerce sites use phrases like "only 2 left in stock" or "flash sale ends in 2 hours"? That's scarcity marketing. It triggers our fear of missing out, FOMO, making us hit that buy now button faster than we planned. Add in reviews, star ratings, and that magical free shipping over $50 trick, and suddenly your cart is full. Why it matters. Consumer psychology isn't just about selling, it's also about awareness. When you understand these tactics, you can make smarter decisions as a buyer. And if you're ever on the business side, you'll know how to ethically use psychology to connect with people. So here's the takeaway. Every purchase we make tells a story, not just about what we buy, but about how we think. Businesses influence us through emotions, social proof, and clever strategies. But the more aware we are, the more control we have over our choices. And in our next episode, we'll zoom out to a bigger picture. Cultural psychology, how culture shapes our thoughts, values, and identity. Check the playlist link in the description. Subscribe if you haven't already. And remember, the next time you end up buying that random gadget online, it might not be you shopping. It might be psychology shopping for you.